The Kalstein Sliding Pendant, a state-of-the-art bridge suspension system engineered for intensive care units, recovery rooms, and monitoring stations. The sliding pendant is an innovative solution for critical care environments, designed to enhance patient care through its advanced bridge suspension system. Ideal for intensive care units, this pendant caters to the needs of both adults and infants, streamlining the monitoring process in recovery rooms. Fully adaptable for implementation in pediatrics, height-adjustable medical monitoring platforms meet the requirements of both adults and infants, ensuring personalized and precise patient care. Equipped with oxygen, air, and vacuum outlets compatible with international standards, in addition to 6 multi-purpose power outlets, ensuring seamless connectivity for any clinical environment. The flexible wet and dry separation configuration keeps medical instruments organized and immediately accessible. Each section features ceiling-mounted, rotating shelves. Explore the complete catalog of Kalstein ceiling pendants. We bring science to life.